What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be looking at reroute declarations. I did not know these existed, so the other day we looked at reroutes, which are these little guys here, which basically allows you to go from one point, reroute it, and it lets you have sort of more organization over where you're actually going to place these wires. Now, there's another node called reroute declaration, which if I take off of here, don't know how new it is, but if I write reroute and we go reroute declaration node, we get this guy. For example, let's call this tiling. That's not spot tiling. And we'll pop it in this box. What we can do is now right click in an empty spot, named reroutes tiling. I can get rid of all of our nodes that come off of here and start plugging that in. Now I could plug this into multiple ones like this and go right to the bottom, or I could just copy paste it. That's from here. Set them up as all separate points. Like so. So this basically runs as its own thing now. Well, these are the outputs from this little guy here. Now, if you wanted to be even more sort of neat, so they all act as like their own separate islands, you could always drag this over here. Reroute that. Put out like BC for base color. Do another one here. Reroute R for roughness. You can name them what you want. This is just a very quick example. Put this one out. Reroute N for normal. And again, you can move them wherever you want because you're not going to have this wire appear in a second. And we'll drag you away. Don't need this guy. Drag you away. We'll just call this one out AO. Cool. Now, what I can do is I could detach all of these. Right click, named reroutes. We're going to go for our BC for base color. Nice and tight. We're going to go reroute N for normals. Go R for roughness. We're going to go AO. And boom. We've got this really neat endpoint now. If you double click, yeah, I was gonna say, I assume it brings you back. So if you do want to, like, if you had this somewhere that you couldn't see or whatever, presumably because it's quite a simple shader, it'll be quite close anyway. But let's say you're like, oh, where does this come from? Double click it and it zooms you over. Double click and it brings you over. And yeah, I just thought they were really cool. Someone commented asking me, saying that these are better now, and I have to admit they are better. I do see the benefits of using both. Sometimes having the wires in between helps to sort of locate what's going in between places. But overall, I mean, these are probably a bit more neater and tidy, and you don't get all that spaghetti everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.